OnePlus has launched its new Turbo series phone in China called OnePlus Turbo 6X Pro with a massive battery pack. Now, let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The OnePlus Turbo 6X Pro features a tall 6.78-inch 1.5K resolution AMOLED display with up to 144 Hz refresh rate and up to 6500 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7400 Super chipset, paired with Mali G615MC2 GPU for smooth gaming and performance. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12 GB of RAM that can be virtually expanded up to another 12 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256 GB of internal storage. In the camera department, the OnePlus Turbo 6X Pro sports a 50-megapixel primary rear camera with f1.8 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 112-degree field of view. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has 16-megapixel camera placed inside the center punch hole cutout with f2.4 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 8,000 mAh battery with 80-watt SuperVOOC fast charging support, and it runs on Android 16 out of the box with ColorOS 16 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69K certified for dust and water resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system for better thermal management during heavy usage. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 162.6 by 77.6 by 8.8 millimeters, and it weighs around 213 grams. Now, coming to the pricing details. The OnePlus Turbo 6X Pro has been priced in China for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 1,999 Chinese yuan, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at 2,099 Chinese yuan, and the higher variant with 12GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 2,399 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in Desire Orange and Horse Black color options, and it is set to go on sale starting from June 15th. So, what do you guys think of this OnePlus Turbo 6X Pro smartphone? Do let us know your thoughts in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you guys in the next video.